everyone, welcome to my channel. Now today actually it's going to be a little bit different video. You all must be aware that whenever I purchase anything from any of the website, I make sure I purchase lot of things so that I don't have to pay the shipping. Same happened with Flipkart also. Just last video I have uploaded the nail art kit from Flipkart and you people seem to loved it. So like while ordering that nail art kit, I ordered few more things from Flipkart. So definitely you will be like getting few more videos the things which I purchased from Flipkart. So this is just another item which I got it. Right now today the item is very different. Generally I never use that item on my hair. I am talking about the hair curler. Yeah, if you have watched my like hair essentials and all that video, if possible I'll link that video up in the I button as well as down in the description box. In that video I've already spoken about that I do not have any kind of curler. I just have one curler which I got free in Tresemme shampoo, and that is all. So I was little bit intrigued to try a curler, but the twist is this is the cheapest curler available on Flipkart's website, right? Yes, cheapest curler. I just wanted to try, I just wanted to put this particular curler in an experiment. So I'm talking about this particular brand. It is even you can say like cheaper than other brands. I do not want to say the names, but it is cheaper than other brands. The brand what I'm talking about is Nova. It is hair curling iron. They say it is new, but no, this is not new product, but I have seen this lot of time. Okay, and the model number which I'm going to talk about is NHC471B. Do not worry, I'll give you the buying link. It will be pinned in the description box. You can go ahead and easily buy. If you want to buy, you can buy this curler, right? And I got this from Flipkart, and if I'm not wrong, I got this for 171 rupees. Yes, you heard me right. This is for just 171 rupees. That is why I wanted to give this particular curler a shot. Okay, when you just check the packaging of this curler, they say hair curling iron, 2 position on and off, built-in stand, safety pilot light, no tangle swirl cord, safety cool tip, slip proof grip. That is what is mentioned over here. Okay, and yeah, it is for 150 volt. They have given you 15 volt, 220 to 240 volt. That is what they have specified. Now this is basically the outer packaging. When you talk about the inside packaging, it comes in this kind of plastic polythene. When we just take out the plastic polythene, the cord was like tied up with the clip. Okay, and this is the curler, what I'm talking about, curling iron to be very specific. Right now over here, it doesn't have the 360 degree swirling cord. It doesn't have that, but this is like pretty easy to work. It doesn't like tangle up or something. It is easy to work, and actually they have not specified how much is this, but don't worry, I'll measure this up and I'll mention on the screen what is the length of this particular cord, because till now I have not measured. I'll measure it and I'll mention on the screen. Okay, here over here when you see, it is given you on and off switch. This is the on and off switch. It is like if you want to comb also your hair, you can comb through this also, but I do not use this kind of comb, so I've already removed it. When I removed this, and like you can see, this is like if the iron is hot, then you can use it this way, and this is the particular iron. Only you have on and off switch, there is nothing else. In this particular iron, if you see, there is no heat setting arrangement. Yes, heat setting arrangement is not there. So definitely I was little bit worried, you can say, and I was little bit tensed up to use, because I have Siska hair straightener. In that particular I have heat setting and all, and generally as I told you, I do not use my hair curler. I don't have actually any. And in even Alan Truman also there are like different settings, low, high, medium, all that settings. So in this there was no settings, so I was little bit worried for that. So what I did, I just put this through an experiment, and that is why I did only the half part, because I never wanted my full hair to be curled. I don't like, because already I have natural wavy hair and I do not want it to curl it. So while demonstrating this particular iron, I have just done on the right hand side of my hair, I have just done that way. Now I'll just tell you what all things you will require before like moving towards the demo. I'll just tell you, you will require any kind of heat protection mist. I'll urge you, I'll request you, do not use any kind of heat heating tools, or do not use any kind of heat without using heat protection mist. So the mist which I am using is this Toni & Guy. You get a lot of different varieties. I do not want to say anything on this because I have this. Generally this is not available, but I got this offline from one of the beauty store. I got this. So if at all possible, I'll link this product also in the description box. If not this, I'll give you some best heat protection mist in the description. Sorry, not in the description. It will be pinned in the comment section. So you can check there. So this is a heat protection mist. You'll require one comb, big tooth comb to just detangle your hair or whatever, one tail comb to just partition your hair and everything, right? Then you'll require this kind of clips. If you do not have this kind of clips, no worries, whatever clips is available, you can just use it to just make sections of your hair. You can use that kind of clips. And if at all you want to keep your curls for longer hours, I'll suggest you to get some setting, not exactly setting spray. There are some spray which comes to set the particular curls. I'll give you the link also, that particular product's link also in the description box. I do not own that product because as I told you, I do not curl my hair, so that is why I do not. One is very famous, it is from Schwarzkopf. Definitely I'll give you the link also, it will be pinned. So if you want, you can get that also. After curling, you just have to spray that so that it will hold your curls properly. So you can get that also. Now we'll just move towards the demo. Yes, now basically if you see my hair, these are like basically my natural hair which is pretty curly. So now what I'll do is I'll just pause the video. I'll just straighten this part with this straightener. That part I'm not going to include in the video because that is actually not required. So I'll just straighten my this part portion of the hair, and then I'll be coming up with the curling part so that you will come to know whether this curler is working or no. Because as already I have filmed this part yesterday and that whole portion I had to scrape it off because I tried to curl on my natural hair and I couldn't see any great effect. That is why I scraped that particular portion. I'm just reshooting it today again, and that is why I have decided to use first the straightener and then straightening up the hair again. So I'll just pause the video. Yes, now you all can see I have already just changed the camera position a little bit so that you all can see my hair, not my face, because right now we are focusing on the hair. So right now you all can see I have not like done properly, but from here you all can see I have straightened my hair and I can go through my hair, like I can just finger in my hair easily. You all can see this is the hair what we are looking out for. So now what I'll do is I'll just like switch on the curler and I'll do the demo, just either one or two strands, not much, because as you all know I am not into curling much, but just to show we'll just check how it works. So that is why I'll be just doing in one or two strands of the hair, and you just have to take like maybe this much portion, not bigger. This much is more than enough. Alright, I'm not sure how it is going to work. If it doesn't work, then don't call me. And if you happen to see me backside, then don't worry, my vanity mirror is there, so I'm just watching there and I'm just like doing, that is why you can change the different position. And if at all you hear some background noise or something, then please excuse me, because my son is having his online classes, that is online school, and he's studying out, and like I'm just doing this inside, that is why. Now yeah, this is already heated up, I can feel. Now we will just try to do it from here. Yeah, we will just keep it this way at least for 15-20 seconds. We will see. I'm not sure because they have not given any kind of instructions or anything like how much time you have to keep and all. So I'll just assume we'll keep it for 15-20 seconds. I guess now this is more than enough. Now you all can see. On top it is not giving much, but on bottom you can see. Because I have straightened my hair, that is why I straightened. Now we'll keep this strand on the back side. I don't think this is going to hold up for a long time. So for once in a blue moon, that's okay, you can use, but if you ask me whether you can go for like you can use this frequently, then I will suggest no, I don't think you can use it that frequently, because the temperature setting in everything is not there. But if you are looking something which is just for some party occasion and like that way, then definitely you can. Now I think I should release. You can see it is not giving you that spiral kind of that what we are looking out for actually, but yeah, this is giving you a curling effect. Now this is the last what I'll do. So that is one portion of the hair is done, and keep in mind you have to be pretty close, because as I told you, the length of the wire is not that big enough. And you have to keep this particular plate aside. Don't get it near your face. And if you are alone, if you are younger, then please do it in front of your parents, or please do it in front of some elder person. Don't try to do like alone. This will, because this is very hot. See, now I'll just get all this in front. Y'all can see this is just giving as if it looks natural, right? Because I have straightened my hair, and then we can see this looks pretty natural. And like if you have some kind of a spray which will hold the curls, then definitely you can use that spray. You just do this way, and just like it will not give you that proper roll effect. If you are looking out for some spaghetti kind of like curling or something, then definitely this is not going to give you. This is going to give you a natural. And if I'll just roll my hair, then also see, if I am rolling not my hair, I'm rolling my finger, then too you can see. You all can see this is like giving you some kinds of waves in your hair. And if your hair is pretty bigger, longer, then you can start from here. But I always avoid this much length from the top, and whatever straightening and whatever is there, I do it from here I do it down. I never touch anything on my scalp. That is what I always make sure. So you all can see this is the effect of this particular curler. Now we will just move to my desk, and I will tell you the final conclusion. I'm back with the finishing part, like as I've shown you in the demo, but I forgot to tell you this comes with this kind of stand. So if the heating iron is hot, you can keep it like this, and it will like rest on your stand or something. And if you are keeping it on your bed, I'll suggest you take a bigger towel and keep it like this, so that it won't harm your bed or something. So this is just for the knowledge, and I think you all are smart enough, so I don't have to tell you. Now if you will ask me my final thought, I will tell you, if you are going to use this sparingly, that is once or twice in a month, definitely go ahead, purchase it. 171 rupees is not at all a bad deal. But if you think that way, okay fine, it is going to give me a very good curling like effect, and it is going to be there for almost 3-4 days, then I'm sorry to say it will not stay for 3-4 days. It will just stay maybe for 7 to 8 hours, not more than that. And for that also you need to use that spray to keep your curls intact. So that thing also you can keep in mind. And also there are 2 cons which I just wanted to get in your notice. It doesn't come with the temperature setting, that is you cannot adjust the temperature. It is just comes with on and off button, as well as there is no coating on this particular iron. That is, it is directly steel, made up of steel, and you are directly going to use steel on your hair, which is going to cause which is going to damage your hair and cause long run problematic hair. It will give you long run problematic hair, yes, definitely. So that is what I just wanted to tell you, that 2 things. The cord is I think big enough, so I think you can easily use this. And if you are using directly, you can keep this way, you can attach it, and then you can comb also this. But I have not tried this comb, I have just used this particular for this curling also. You can use this also if you want. But as I told you initially, only my hair is basically by birth wavy, so for me buying a curler was not making, and in any case I am not into curler, that is curls and all. I like straight hair, that is not proper straight, but I like little bit what to tell you, little bit organized hair. There is no word like organized hair, but I like that way. The hair should be like proper. It should not go here and there, it should not go haywire. I like that kind of hair. Yeah, so and my hair is already curvy by birth. So I think I've covered each and every point. Still, if you have anything to ask me regarding this product or maybe in general, you can definitely DM me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle on the screen, as well as it will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that. Or else if you have any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, definitely you can leave that also in the comment section. And please do like, share this video, and do comment how you felt about the video. I know I am not that pro in showing you the demo and all, but I am always trying to do my level best, and whatever I can make you understand, I am trying to do my level best. And please, if you don't like this video, if you are pro in curling your hair and all, thumbs up to you, kudos, I'm very happy for you. Plus, but do not give negative or hate comments over here, please, it's a request. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.